Hi friends, I hope you and everyone around you are safe and in good health. Today in this video, I'm going to share unbiased shirtstores.com reviews and will let you know is shirtstores.com legit or a scam website. But before starting guys, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So by the end of this video, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that Shirt Stores offers variety of products such as headphones, speakers, earbuds and much more. And guys, here we can see that the prices of these products are too good to believe. Before proceeding further, friends, I would request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my YouTube channel. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the available payment options are Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, Discover, RuPay, Net Banking and cash on delivery. Friends, now let's check other crucial details such as shipping policy, return refund procedure, cancellation option, customer reviews, registration and contact details. So guys, here we can see that no information is provided related to anything on the official website. Even contact details are not provided. So it's a red flag. Therefore, now let's proceed to check the registration details of shirtstores.com. So here we can see Shirt Stores was registered on 21st November 2021. So this is quite a new website as it was registered just couple of days back. Apart from this guys, here you will see in the About Us section content is copied from a website named as Grimsons. So it is a red highlight for all the shoppers. Moving on to check the customer reviews. So guys, here on the official website you will see that there is no section for customers feedback. So let's check the customer reviews over the reliable sites on the internet. Guys, I could not find even a single customer review on the internet as well. Thus, it's a red flag because customer reviews are one of the most critical factor in determining the legitimacy of any shopping website. So guys, I would like to end the video by stating that since all the vital information is not provided, so it's a loophole and a red flag for all the shoppers. So based on all these checkpoints, I would highly recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website as there are high chances of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about the authenticity of shirtstores.com. And friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below so that other viewers get to know about your shopping experience with this seller. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.